Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm back again with a new creative idea. This idea is how to convert the old jean into a cute rose brooch. You can do it at home easily and simply. So stay tuned and do like and subscribe to my video. Before making the rose, you can prepare some items. This is jean, ribbon, thread and sewing needle, pin, scissors, glue and glue gun. The first step is take a jean and cut a jean with measurement is 5 and 30 centimeters. Okay. Then you take a glue and put the glue and you fold like this. And you twist. Okay. You twist slowly and give the glue time by time when you need. You twist again until it's done, the rose. The second step is you take the ribbon and you cut the ribbon about 60 centimeters. Like this. Now you stick together. You take needle and thread and you stitch. Like this, and you get it like this. The third step is you take the rose and the ribbon and give the glue at the back side like this, and place the ribbon. Okay. This is the result. For the covering the bedside, you take the chin, you make a circle, and you cover here. Yeah. And the last step, you take the pin. You can pin like circle here, or you can choose. It's up to you. Okay. Take the pin and give the glue here, and you stick, and the beautiful and cute rose brooch is ready. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.